Okay, tell me when you're ready. You ready? This is a Husqvarna that we got. All the saws are pretty much the same. Sometimes there's one bolt or sometimes there's two, like on a steel, but this one's just got one. So we're going to change this blade. We hit a rock with it, we want to change it. Loosen this up, just like that. Before I go too far, I loosen it up right here, this, watch. So I loosen this and you can see the slack, the bar going backwards. Okay. I'll make it easier later. Undo this. Let's take this off. Make sure the brake is off. Ugh, look how nasty it is. Okay, so I'm gonna, you don't have to do this, but we're gonna. We're gonna clean this up too. Okay. Oh, nasty. So this adjustment right there, that screw that we were loosening before we took this off, is this. That tightens. That's the tightener for this, so it goes back and forth. So when we want to tighten it, we tighten up the screw, and it drives the bar forward and tightens the chain. See, like this. Like that. And this, when we put it back together, we got to make sure this goes into one of these holes right there. Okay, so now I just remove the chain, like so. Okay, there's a right way and a wrong way. We want to make sure these teeth are going this way. The point goes towards the front, so it'll be cutting. And put it on the back. If we can here. Put it on the top of the chain, like so. So now it's really loose. You can see that. Just rotated it, kind of get it straightened up. I'm going to put this right back on. Going on. I'm going to put our bolt on. So generally I just kind of put this on hand tight. Just a little bit tighter maybe. That's good. Now some of the adjusters are on the front up here. Some are on the side like this. So right here you see as I tighten this up, that pin is pushing this blade forward and it's tightening it up. And I like to have it so it's a little bit of play. Probably about like right there. Because when you tighten it up it gets a little bit tighter sometimes. That's about just right. And then just snug it up. Don't overdo it. She's ready to go. And she's sharp. The only thing is you might want to check this after you run it for a few minutes to readjust it because of the newness.